So I'm at HEB and they have the Pink Princess Philodendron, you guys. Oh my goodness. I'm not gonna get it because I know a lot of these companies are gonna have it more often, but like they're $20. That is so cool. There's only 3 left. I've been seeing it all over Facebook as well. You can get your hot Cheetos to get us. You can get your hot Cheetos to get us. Okay. And look at the little baby. Also, somebody told me on Instagram that they have them available already on HEB, which is a local grocery store in Texas. Is it for Max and Miles? I'm pretty sure it's for Max and Miles. It is. Oh my goodness. That's so insane. Like, I'm literally in shock. They have some other goodies as well. Like a lot of these other succulents. A variegated rose. Look at these anthuriums. So pretty. Ficuses, crocodile bird's nest ferns. In this little section. Oh my god, look at these palms. $12.98. That is not bad. They got a blue star fern. This one, which I'm not really sure what this is, but it's so goddamn gorgeous. A Calathea, Drancina. All of the beautiful roses. Oh, look at this pink one. Oh, hold on. They have so many different kinds. So pretty. And these golden potos on these fake bucket cans. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. That's crazy that they have that and also a bunch of flowers. Baby's breath is my favorite. So they have these. They're like, I don't know if these are begonias. They're so pretty. They got some pampas. They usually have more plants in the back, but I'm guessing this is basically a really cute Dieffenbachia on arrangement. Agluminia. Oh, they're so shiny. And then a featherleaf Calathea. So pretty. Obsessed. They have some lucky bamboos as well. Look at that. Okay, just wanted to show you guys the Pink Princess Philodendron just because like that's literally, I've been seeing some more that are more variegated, but even then, look at that little baby. That's so cool.